and welcome to the Social Connection. We are back again with the latest from the virtual world. So sit back and relax as we take you through all the fun and a little bit of the drama that did the rounds in the social media space. I'm Preeti and with me is Shreya.
Well, thanks Preeti and welcome everybody. Yes, we're back with your weekly dose of news from the virtual world, the top trends, interesting videos and much more in today's Social Connection. But before we head to what trended through the week, let's take a look at our headlines.
US government seeks control of technical management of the internet.
Facebook rolls out end-to-end encryption for its Messenger users.
WhatsApp brings new image doodling feature for its Android users.
Well, claimed as one of the most significant changes in the internet's functioning, the United States government has ceded control of the technical management of internet. Now, following a long legal battle, the California-based NGO Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers will gain control over the organization of unique online identifiers. Take a look at this report.
The master directory of all website addresses in the world has stopped coming under the oversight of the US government. With the quiet expiration of contract, the 47 years of US government authority over the internet's most basic functions has ended. The agreement now gives a California-based non-profit group the sole authority to organize cyberspace's address book. The Federal National Telecommunications and Information Administration no longer exercises control over the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, or the ICANN. The nearly 20-year-old ICANN was already overseeing the distribution of internet addresses, and now it officially owns the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority, or IANA, the database that stores all internet domain names. ICANN is now answerable to international stakeholders across the internet community. That seeming non-event, called the IANA transition, had been in the works for more than 2 years and had been welcomed by the internet community. The decision to release ICANN from under the thumb of the government has become a highly politicized issue, with some lawmakers insisting that the move would be akin to the US giving away the internet. Despite many speculations, the fact that this entity, the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, has played this vital role for years cannot be denied.
Facebook has upgraded its Messenger with one of the most important features to ever come to the app. Yes, the social networking giant has introduced fully encrypted messaging between devices. Called Secret Conversations, Messenger's encryption feature has been quietly rolling out on iOS and Android devices. But there's a catch to it. Take a look.
After the popular mobile messaging platform WhatsApp, parent company Facebook has rolled out end-to-end encryption for its Messenger users. Facebook has rolled out end-to-end encryption for all 900 million Messenger users, so your conversations cannot be monitored by third parties. However, there are a few limitations that come with Secret Conversations. You will need to manually enable the Secret Conversations feature for each and every chat, and both participants need to have the latest version of the app installed for this to work. The encryption is not available for group chats, and you can only access Secret Conversations from the device that you started them on. They also don't support GIFs and videos. Images and stickers work fine though. In the case of WhatsApp, users need to have an updated version to ensure that their chats are end-to-end encrypted. The encryption ensures that users' messages, videos and photographs cannot be read by anyone else, not even WhatsApp. Secret Conversations can also put self-destruct timers on messages, ensuring that particularly sensitive material are deleted forever after as long as a day to even just 5 seconds after being opened. Apart from this, Facebook has also launched a light version of its Messenger chat app, which is aimed at emerging markets where many people use older phones that do not have enough room to store or ability to run the full-featured application due to slower internet speeds or other issues. Facebook in a statement said, Messenger Lite is launching on Android devices in Kenya, Tunisia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka and Venezuela. There is already a Facebook Lite available for people whose phones are too old or simple to run the full-fledged Facebook. Messenger Lite is a similarly slimmed-down version of Messenger. Okay, next up, instant messaging service WhatsApp just keeps getting better with every new update. After adding features like message quote, replies and mention, WhatsApp introduced new ways to customize and enhance the photographs and videos that you share with friends and family around the world.
After Snapchat, Instagram and Facebook, instant messaging app WhatsApp has also brought new image doodling feature for its Android users. The popular messaging service now lets Android users personalize images and videos with text, doodles and emojis. The update allows you to customize both photographs and clips stored on your phone or those taken from the camera while chatting on WhatsApp. When users capture a new photo or video or share one that's already on their phone, they will see a number of new icons across the top of the screen, all of which allow users to edit the photo. The same goes for videos. Apart from the aforementioned features, users can also change the font and color of the captions. In an effort to further emphasize the WhatsApp camera, the messaging app now supports the front-facing flash, so users can take the perfect selfie. In low light and at night, this will brighten up the screen and improve the photo quality. WhatsApp also added a convenient zooming feature for recording videos by sliding your finger up and down to zoom in and out, and double tap on the screen to quickly switch between front and rear-facing cameras. The new photo editing features are rolling out on Android starting Monday and coming to iOS soon.
Well, now it's time for us to take a break. Do stay with us, because coming up next are the top trends of the virtual world and lots more on the other side. Stay tuned to The Social Connection.
कोई चेहरा है कोमल कली का, रूप कोई सलोनी परी का, इनसे सीखा सबक जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। ये अगर हैं तो रोशन जहां है, ये ज़मीनें हैं और आसमां है वजूद इनसे ही आदमी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। हमने रब को तो देखा नहीं पर नूर ये है खुदा का ज़मीं पर, एक एहसास है रोशनी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। इनसे इनकी अदाएं न छीनो, इनसे इनकी सदाएं न छीनो, हक इन्हें भी तो है जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का।
It's a small world, continents apart, exploring diversity in scope and essence. Insights into chronicles. News simply telling us it's a small world. World Connect. Only on TD News.
सुर्खियों की भीड़ में अहम खबरें, असल मुद्दे जो डालते हैं आपकी जिंदगी पर असर। दिन भर की हर बड़ी खबर का बेबाक विश्लेषण, सच, सटीक, संपूर्ण। न्यूज नाइट, सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 8 से 10 बजे, सिर्फ डीडी न्यूज पर।
Welcome back to The Social Connection. Now, you must be familiar with the top trends, but here's a quick wrap of the trends that rule different social media platforms. India's latest communication satellite, GSAT-18, was successfully launched this week by a heavy-duty rocket of Arianespace from the spaceport of Kourou in French Guiana. GSAT-18, built by the Indian Space Research Organisation, aims at providing telecommunication services for the country by strengthening ISRO's current fleet of 14 operational telecommunication satellites. Applauding ISRO on this occasion, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, "Congratulations to ISRO for successfully launching the communication satellite GSAT-18. This is another milestone for our space program." ISRO's GSAT and Arianespace were much talked about topics in the virtual world. Tech giant Google announced a new smartphone called Pixel and a suite of other consumer electronic products for the home, planting itself firmly in the hardware business and challenging Apple Inc.'s iPhone at the global smartphone market. The string of announcements, including the Pixel, a smart speaker for the living room dubbed Home, a virtual reality headset, and a new Wi-Fi router, is the clearest sign yet that Google intends to compete head-to-head with Apple, Amazon.com Inc., and even manufacturers of phones using its own Android mobile operating system. This made Google's Pixel one of the top trends online. Adding another feature to her cap, Bollywood diva Deepika Padukone has become Asia's most followed woman on Twitter. After her recent successful stints at the box office with hits like Piku and Baji Rao Mastani, exploring international terrain with XXX, Return of Xander Cage, and being listed in the top 10 highest paid actresses in the world by Forbes, this news was surely the icing on the cake. With this, Deepika Padukone became one of the top trends online. Bengaluru boy Ishan Pandita has become the first Indian footballer to sign a professional contract with a club at the top tier of Spanish football, the La Liga. The 18-year-old joined the setup at newly promoted CD Leganés, which sits 11th in the Liga table. Pandita will first turn out for the club's under-19 side, which currently plies its trade in the division de Honor Juvenil, the top level of the Spanish system for youth players. This made hashtags like Ishan Pandita, Bengaluru and La Liga online top trends. The 2016 Nobel Prize for Chemistry has been awarded for the development of the world's smallest machines. The prize will be shared by 3 scientists for the design and synthesis of machines on a molecular scale. The physics prize went to 3 British scientists, David Thuless at the University of Washington, Duncan Haldane at Princeton University, and Michael Kosterlitz at Brown University. The prize in physiology or medicine went to Yoshinori Osumi at the Tokyo Institute of Technology for his work on autophagy, the process by which cells recycle and repair themselves. A friendly gesture by Foreign Minister Sushma Swaraj has won the hearts of a visiting Pakistani youth delegation. The team of 19 young women had come to India to participate in the Global Youth Peace Festival in Chandigarh on the 27th of September. But following the Indian Army's surgical strikes across the line of control, their scheduled return on the 4th of October looked uncertain. Alia Harir, the convener of the Peace Forum, spoke with External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj, who assured their safe return. In a similar gesture, the Border Security Force handed over a Pakistani boy to Pak Rangers after he accidentally crossed over to the Indian side.
Moving on, popular messaging app Telegram is making its encrypted messaging app more fun for its 100 million users. Telegram now lets you play games with your friends. The encrypted messaging service has introduced chatbot-powered HTML5 games for its 100 million strong user base. Take a look.
After introducing features like create GIFs, draw on your photographs, as well as add masks, stickers, secure messaging service Telegram is about to get a lot more fun with the addition of a bot-powered gaming platform. The platform has launched chatbot-powered games with the hope that players will initiate challenges during day-to-day conversations. By launching this service, Telegram says that there are hundreds of games being made for the platform by developers, but at the time of launching, about 30 HTML5 games are ready to play. Most of them published by developer Gamey, including arcade titles Mr. Muscle and Karate Kiddo, and sports and racing titles Football Star and Kung Fu Inc. These games can be accessed by chatting with @Gamey. Using GameBot within a chat window also brings up the interface for the new HTML5 games. By entering Gamey into the conversation, gamers can open 30 free titles that do not require a download and can start playing with friends. If a gamer spots a great game on Telegram, he can challenge his friends from other chats by sharing the game with them. To aid competitive play, the system will automatically remember all high scores entered by players. Telegram has also opened up the platform to developers. Opening up the API in the home, it can populate its library all the faster. Users with iPhone 4 and newer and on Android 4.4 devices and above will be able to load and play games in the app. The new gaming platform also does not take up any added space. Well, that was an interesting update. Now don't go anywhere because coming up is a special moment from Twitter. Keep watching The Social Connection.
It's a small world. Continents apart. Exploring diversity in scope and essence. Insights into chronicles. News simply telling us it's a small world. World Connect. Only on DD News.
सुर्खियों की भीड़ में अहम खबरें, असल मुद्दे जो डालते हैं आपकी जिंदगी पर असर। दिन भर की हर बड़ी खबर का बेबाक विश्लेषण, सच, सटीक, संपूर्ण। न्यूज नाइट सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 8 से 10 बजे सिर्फ डीडी न्यूज पर।
कोई चेहरा है कोमल कली का, रूप कोई सलोनी परी का, इनसे सीखा सबक जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। ये अगर हैं तो रोशन जहां है, ये ज़मीनें हैं और आसमां है वजूद इनसे ही आदमी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। हमने रब को तो देखा नहीं पर नूर ये है खुदा का ज़मीं पर, एक एहसास है रोशनी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। इनसे इनकी अदाएं न छीनो, इनसे इनकी सदाएं न छीनो, हक इन्हें भी तो है जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का।
Welcome back to the Social Connection. Now, Twitter users have one more feature to cherish as Twitter opened up Moments, allowing all of its users to create and share a collection of tweets that are presented as slideshow within the Twitter app. Moments are curated stories showing the very best of what's happening on Twitter. Take a look at this report.
Twitter will now let any of its users create a moment. Twitter users have been greeted with a new tab, Moments, which the company hopes will encourage more people to use the social network. This comes about a year after Twitter first introduced Moments. Moments are essentially collections of tweets that are being presented full screen on mobile devices using tweeted pictures and videos as art. Users can combine their own tweets to a moment or search for other tweets and essentially build a kind of curated collection around a certain topic. Twitter officially announced the new functionality with a tweet featuring a short demo video. It said, for everyone who wants to make a moment, starting today you can. Creators everywhere can now tell stories with tweets. User-generated moments are being listed as part of a user's profile, which should make it easier to go back and browse through past moments. Twitter also is likely going to highlight moments generated by the users you follow within the Moments guide of the Twitter mobile app. To create a moment, simply click on the New Moments tab that now lives next to tweets, following, followers and likes. Moments can be about anything. Twitter says, though the platform does offer a handful of tips and tricks, including keeping titles and descriptions short and sweet, as well as picking eye-catching cover visuals. While Moments can include tweets from anywhere across Twitter, the company advises a snackable length of roughly 10 slides. Most of Twitter's iconic features have come from individual users, so it makes sense that Moments is being opened up to everyone.
Now it's time to see all the feedback that you sent in on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube.
Well, we have reached the end of the show. We look forward to more of that feedback coming in on our Gmail, Twitter handle and Facebook page. If you missed any of our episodes, catch them on our YouTube channel, DD News Official.
Well, that's right, and we hope that you enjoyed this episode as much as we did. See you again next week, same time, same place. But before we log off, we leave you with this week's interesting video. Thank you and bye-bye.
I imagine a world where children would have enough food, enough education, and I'm very happy to be part of this amazing project.
Our children have the right to equal opportunities, to thrive, to be happy and healthy and